Have you ever had a brain booster salad? Did you know a salad can change your life? Today, we're sharing our amazing recipe that's not only packed with delicious flavors, but also packed with 10 powerhouse ingredients that will elevate your mental power and make you smarter. Yes, you heard it right. It will literally make you smarter. Let's dive into this intelligence-boosting salad. Blueberries. These small but mighty berries are packed with antioxidants like anthocyanins, which protect your brain from oxidative stress and boost memory and cognitive function. Regular consumption of blueberries has been shown to improve communication between brain cells, enhance synaptic plasticity, and even delay brain aging. They are also linked to reducing the risk of neurodegenerative diseases, making them an essential part of any diet focused on brain health. Spinach. This leafy green is loaded with nutrients like lutein, folate, and beta-carotene. Spinach not only supports overall brain function, but also helps in the production of neurotransmitters that regulate mood, cognitive abilities, and mental clarity. The high levels of vitamin K in spinach contribute to cognitive health by preventing oxidative stress and inflammation in the brain, which are common factors in cognitive decline. Walnuts. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids, particularly DHA, walnuts are excellent for enhancing cognitive performance and supporting the structure of brain cells. The polyphenolic compounds in walnuts also reduce oxidative stress and inflammation, both of which are critical for maintaining brain health. Studies suggest that regular consumption of walnuts can improve memory, focus, and even reduce the risk of age-related cognitive decline. Avocados. Packed with monounsaturated fats, avocados are vital for maintaining healthy blood flow to the brain, which is crucial for optimal cognitive function. They help reduce the risk of cognitive decline and are rich in potassium and vitamin K, which support cognitive abilities by preventing blood clots in the brain. Avocados also contain folate, which is essential for maintaining mental and emotional health, further enhancing their brain-boosting properties. Broccoli. This cruciferous vegetable is packed with powerful antioxidants, including vitamin K, which is essential for forming sphingolipids, a type of fat densely packed into brain cells. The sulforaphane in broccoli helps repair brain tissue, protect against neurodegenerative diseases, and may even play a role in supporting mental health by reducing the risk of depression and anxiety. The high fiber content also supports gut health, which is increasingly linked to brain function. If you're enjoying our video so far, please hit the subscribe, like and notification buttons, and don't forget to leave us a juicy comment. Your support means the world to us. 6. Pumpkin seeds. These seeds are a powerhouse of essential minerals like magnesium, iron, zinc and copper, all of which are crucial for brain function. Magnesium aids in cognitive processing and learning, iron is vital for oxygen transport to the brain, zinc is essential for nerve signaling, and copper helps control nerve signals. Pumpkin seeds are also rich in antioxidants that protect brain cells from free radical damage, enhancing memory and overall cognitive performance. 7. Oranges. Oranges are an excellent source of vitamin C, a vital antioxidant for preventing mental decline. Vitamin C supports brain health by protecting against free radicals that can damage brain cells, reducing the risk of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. Regular intake of vitamin C is associated with improved focus, memory, attention, and even a boost in mood, making oranges a delicious and essential part of any brain-boosting diet. 8. Tomatoes. Tomatoes are rich in lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that helps protect your brain from damage caused by free radicals. Lycopene has been linked to better cognitive function, a lower risk of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's, and improved mental sharpness. Tomatoes also contain vitamin C and other antioxidants that work together to support brain health, reduce inflammation, and protect against cognitive decline. 9. Beets. Beets are packed with nitrates, which help improve blood flow to the brain, enhancing cognitive function and potentially slowing the progression of dementia. The betalains in beets are potent antioxidants that protect your brain cells from damage and reduce inflammation. Beets also support detoxification processes in the body, which can have a positive impact on mental clarity and overall brain health. 10. Carrots. High in beta-carotene, carrots are excellent for boosting cognitive function and improving memory. They also help protect against cognitive decline as you age, making them a perfect addition to your brain-boosting salad. Carrots are rich in vitamin A, which supports brain health by reducing oxidative stress and inflammation. Additionally, their high fiber content supports gut health, which plays a critical role in brain function and mental well-being. Here is the final touch. If you like, add a little balsamic vinegar to your salad. You won't regret it. Now that you know our secret to a sharper, more focused mind, it's time to take action. Incorporate this 10-food salad into your routine 3 to 4 times a week for maximum benefits, and watch the benefits unfold. This is a SHN&x production. To have access to our ever-growing collection of life-changing videos, please visit our channel at SHN&x on YouTube. If you found this video helpful, please go ahead now and smash the like, subscribe and notification buttons. Please share our work with your loved ones. Help us grow our community. Make our channel your go-to place for improving and inspiring your life. Please don't forget to leave us a comment. We'd love to know your thoughts. Have you ever tried a salad like this before? Did you know a salad could be this powerful? Let us know in the comments section. See you on our next video.